Alright, in this video I'll be showing you how to fix Xbox Backup Creator. Let me show you. Alright, here it is here. Try to run it. You make it this. If you get that, this video is for you. Alright, so what you do, download everything that I give you. It's this right here, an Xbox Backup Creator itself, just in case you need it. But this right here, I uploaded myself. Right here it is. Open up the README. Okay, I give you this file right here. Here it is right there. You have to put it in C Windows SYSL64. Then you have to register it. So just do what I do. Go to Start Computer. Go to your hard drive, Windows, and then go to SYSL64. You see this right here, this MSCOMCTL.OCX. Just drag it in there. Okay. Close out of that. Keep the notepad open. Hit start. Type CMD. You must run as administrator. Okay. Now type in CD /CD Windows CD SYSL64 /. Alright. Now you need to type reg svr32 and yeah, you know. Give it a second. You should get that. Alright. Open up Xbox Backup Creator. And then open it up. And there you go. You just now fixed Xbox Backup Creator. It works. It works now. If you have any problems, just message me. This is my first video, so please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Pretty sleepy right now too, so sorry for that.